How to send TikTok videos without link. To send TikTok videos without a link, you first need to open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the home page of TikTok, where you can view the contents that are shared on TikTok. From this page, navigate to a post. Then tap on the Share button from the side panel. After that, select the option Save Video from here. Now a menu like this will appear. You need to slide onto these three dots over here. From this new menu, choose an application to share the video. Here I am choosing the WhatsApp application. Now the contact list of WhatsApp will appear on the screen. Select a contact from the list, then tap on the next button at the bottom right corner. Preview the video and hit the Send button over here. Now minimize the TikTok application and open the WhatsApp application on your iPhone. Once you are in, open the chat to see the shared video. As you can see, the video is being directly shared to your contact without any link. So by following these steps, you can easily send TikTok videos without a link.